Welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at how to make the popcorn stitch. I'm going to be using a 4mm hook and DK acrylic yarn colour crafter in colour 1080, and I'm just going to start off, I don't have a sample handy, so I'm just going to start off by making a slip knot and chain, and I'm going to chain. I'm just going to chain, let's just chain 10. Yeah, we don't need a long thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm just going to go along them with single crochets, US singles, UK doubles. I've skipped the first chain though, just so that we've got something to work in. If you've got a piece of work that you're using, you can always just crochet straight onto that and then undo the stitches rather than doing this. This is always good practice because this can be quite tricky going into those bumps of the chains. There we go. So when I make popcorn stitches, we're going to be using US doubles, UK trebles, and I'll put the link in the video below, in the description below, for how to make those. Yeah. So at the end of my row, I'm going to chain 2, turn the work, and I'm just going to make a US double, UK treble in there, to get to the height we want. And we're actually going to make our first popcorn stitch in this stitch, not the one next, not the first stitch, but the second stitch, just so that we've got a bit of room around it and you can see it. So we're going to chain 1. So like I said, we're going to make them with US doubles, UK trebles. So we're going to make 4 US doubles, UK trebles into that stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to make the popcorn stitch, we're going to make a big loop, yeah, and we're going to take our hook out. We're then going to pop our hook into that first stitch we made, and we're going to grab that yarn, yeah, and we're going to pull it through. We're now going to pull that, and there's our popcorn stitch. So you can see it's raised, pinches it all together. We can then chain 1 and we'll make another one. So we're going to skip that first stitch, that's why we've chained 1, and we're going to work in there. So we're going to make 4 more stitches, and you could do them with 5 or 3. 4 is generally the number you'll see, but patterns will indicate if they want different number of stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we create a bigger loop just so that we don't lose it. We then take the hook out and we pop the hook into the first stitch we made. We then grab the yarn and pull it through and tighten it, and we're then going to chain 1, and there's 2 popcorn stitches. And you can practice making as many of those as you want. You'll see sometimes they're used in flowers or to create texture.